The law of vibration is not just about thinking positive and pretending life is beautiful. It means everything you are is broadcasting something. Your words have a vibration. Your thoughts have a vibration. Your emotions have a vibration. Your habits have a vibration. Your presence has a vibration. And people may not always hear what you say, but they feel what you carry. You can walk into a room smiling, but if you carry fear, anger, resentment, jealousy, or desperation inside you, something still enters the room before your words do. That is vibration. It is not magic. It is not fantasy. It is the energy of your inner state expressing itself through your face, your posture, your tone, your choices, and the way you treat others. This is why two people can say the same exact words, but one brings peace and the other brings pressure. The words were the same. The vibration was different. So, the law of attraction is not about attracting a sports car or pretending pain does not exist. It is about becoming responsible for the energy you live from. Because whatever you keep feeding inside you eventually becomes the atmosphere around you. Feed fear long enough and you carry tension. Feed anger long enough and you carry conflict. Feed gratitude long enough and you carry steadiness. Feed awareness long enough and you carry light. The vibration is not what you claim to believe. It is what your nervous system, your emotions, your habits, and your spirit are practicing every single day. So, before asking, what am I attracting? Ask, what am I becoming? Because the strongest vibration is not the one you fake, it's the one you live.